Pag-infant yan? Okay. Pag-child? Okay. Yan. Pag sumobra, makikita rin doon. Okay? Pag hindi kaya, yung dalawang fingers, you could use this one. Your middle finger and your ring finger po. Okay? Yan. Tapos, kapag ka-child naman, paano ang compression mo pag-child, Sir Anthony? Ay, nandiyan na lang ako. Child. Child. Walang child. So, let's assume that this is a child muna, guys. Okay? So, ito yung gagamitin natin for the child. Okay. So, okay, so let's start your demonstration for the CPR, guys. Okay. So, for example, anong una mong gagawin? Check the scene. Tama? Anong number 1 natin dyan? Scene size up. Okay. So, you gotta check if the, what you gonna do with the dessert? Ganun ba yun, guys? Okay, anong gagawin ninyo? Check if the scene is safe. Okay, you're gonna check if the scene is safe. Baka bangin naman yun, guys. Diba? Pag sumulong kayo doon, kayo naman ang mategi. Okay, now let's assume that the scene is safe. Now we are ready to immerse ourselves. Anong una niyong gagawin? Ask for the consent. How would you ask for the consent, guys? You should, magpakilala ka muna. Hi, ma'am, I'm Christine Alejo. I am a trained personnel. Tama ko? May I help? Tapos, pag hindi nag-response ang patient, gagawin natin, pag child, paano gagawin natin, Sir Anthony? You will be child. Child tayo, guys. You will be tapping the shoulder. Hey, hey, are you okay? Hey, hey, are you okay? Hey, hey, are you okay? Yes? Hey, hey, are you okay? Hey, hey, are you okay? Hey, hey, are you okay? The child is unconscious. Ask for help. I need help. Call 911 and ask for the AED. Nakuha? Okay, ulit. The scene is safe. Immerse yourself. Tell your name. I'm Christine Alejo. I'm a trained personnel. May I help? Then, pag infant naman, sir, paano mag-assess? Okay, sa paan naman tayo? Hey, hey, are you okay? Hey, hey, are you okay? Hey, hey, are you okay? Now, ask for help. Help! Okay, call for 911 and ask for AED. Okay, so mag-isa na kayo doon. Nandun na kayo sa patient and assess your ABC. Tama? You go for the primary assessment. Airway, anong i-check nyo sa ilong? Okay, kung may mga fracture, mga blockages, gano'n. At mag-finger swipe tayo, guys. Swipe it, no? Mag-finger swipe tayo. Baka malaki masyado ito para sa ilong, guys. Okay, ito. Tapos, yung abot lang ng mata ninyo, ay baka meron sa lungs. Sabi yung gano'n. So, hindi na natin kita yun. Then, anong gagawin natin doon, guys? ABC, paano ang airway? Paano nyo ipoposition ang head? Head tilt, chin lift. Okay? Head tilt, chin lift. So, i-open nyo ang mouth ng baby. Okay? Head tilt, chin lift. Tapos, pag may mga fracture, jaw thrush. Jaw thrush naman to. Ganyan. Hindi niya i-extend. Okay? Ulit. Ulit. Paulit po. Jaw thrush. O, ganyan lang siya, guys. Yan. Tapos, kapag head tilt, chin lift. Okay? Na video. Head tilt, chin lift. Okay? So, yan yung ating position. Next one po, yung ating breathing. Okay? For the breathing, low, listen, and feel. Yan. Look at the chest, guys. Sa chest, hindi po kanino kayo nakatingin doon. Look at the chest kung merong umaangat or wala. Listen, pakinggan nyo, saka nyo ramdamin. Okay? Look, listen, and feel. Okay. Next one, kapag ka naman sa assessment, is the pulsation na tayo, circulation. So, sa ating brachial. Okay? Sa ating brachial. Using the knee pad. Finger pad. Knee pad. Magbalik tayo. Yan. Okay, masaya. Yan. Next one, finger pad. Okay? Remember, nagtako ko. Okay? Next one, guys, is your ilang gagawin nyo yun. Gano'ng katagal? Look, listen, and feel. So, while counting the pulse, di ba? May pulso tayo. Position, sir. Look, listen, and feel. O, huwag masyadong malapit. Mag-kiss ka ng baby. Yan. Look, listen, and feel. Position. Okay? Yan. Okay, how many seconds, guys? 10 seconds. Okay, not more than 10 seconds. Okay, now, you are assessing the child for, or the infant for 10 seconds. No pulse, no breathing. We will be doing the CPR. High quality CPR. Okay, yun yung mga no jerking, no bouncing, finger pad, ano pa? Allow chest full recoil. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, parang mapagod ako. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 1, and blow. 1, and 2, and 1. Okay, blow. Okay, pag nag-blow kayo, guys, ang i-blow ay mouth and nose. Okay, so i-open nyo widely ang mouth at isasakot nyo. Sir, gawin mo. Isasakot energy, sir. Kaya mo yan. Yan. Guys, dami to. Walang office. Okay? Wala tayong mouth valve. Wala. Sir, energy. Kaya yan. Mouth and nose. Go, blow. And 2. Kita nyo? Meron tayong nakita mo ang chest, umangat. Again, sir. Sorry, magtabi muna tayo ngayon. 1 and 2. Kita? Very good. Next, compression. Tuloy natin ang compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 29, and 2, and blow. 1 and 2. And compression. Okay, ilang cycles? 5. Ilang minutes yun? 2 minutes. Okay. So now, punta naman tayo sa child, Sir Anthony. Yan. Okay, ang child naman natin, Sir Anthony. Okay, no pulse, no breathing. What you're gonna do in the dessert? Start high quality CPR. 1, 2, 3, 29, and 1, and blow. Your nose. Okay? Cover the nose at mag-blow sa mouth. Okay? Mag-blow sa mouth. Ulitin. 1, 2, energy, Sir Anthony. Mag-jump mo. Diyan si Mamlay. Mamlay cell. 1, 2, 3, 29, and 1, and blow, and 1, and 2. Nakita nyo, every time na nag-blow sila, chine-check nila kung may nag-rise yung chest. Okay po? Okay. So, gets na. Ano na to? Gets na tayo. Energy. Okay? Okay tayo, guys? Please learn it. Okay. Next one. Okay na tayo doon. Then, how many compression rate? Okay. Then, when we are doing the CPR, proper placement is essential. Next one. Yung sinasabi ni Sir kanina. Paano? Line ng nipple just below it, right? then doon kayo mag-compress. Huwag masyadong mababa. Why? Because you might be having a fracture saan? Sa xiphoid process. Remember, your sternum, then your xiphoid process. Baka po yun yung ma-fracture natin. Instead of helping, mag-aggravate pa yung situation ng patient. Next one, guys, is for the child between the nipple. Ayan. For the proper compression, nagawa na natin yon. 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters for the child. Then the compression rate is 100 to 120. Ang teen, bakit kasi kami nag-1? After 29, 1. Ganon. Kasi di ba 5 beses lang yon? Para maging 2 minutes. After ng 2 minutes, guys, ano mangyayari? We will be reassessing our patient. Okay? Naka 5 cycles na tayo, sir. Please. Ganun, mag-compress ka. Last cycle na. 29 and 5 and low. 1 and 2. Okay, my chest rise. And look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. Gusto nyo pa? No pulse, no breathing tayo. Let's learn. Yes, yan. Okay, for example, meron na siyang pulse, guys. Meron na siyang pulse, but negative breathing. Okay, kanina, negative pulse, negative breathing. Ngayon naman, positive ang pulse, negative breathing. Okay, reassess your patient and we are having our negative pulse and positive breathing. Anong gagawin natin? We will be doing the rescue breaths. And sir will be giving rescue breaths sa child. One breath every 3 seconds. Okay, sir. Blow and 1, 2, 3 and blow. 1, 2, 3 and blow. Ganon. Kuha. So, ganon din po sa child naman. Para hindi unfair. Diba? Right? At tayo, sir. Energy. Blow naman tayo sa child. Energy. 1, 2, 3, go. Blow and 1, 2, 3. Blow. 1, 2, 3. Tama na yan. Masaya na kayo niyan. Okay? Next one. Sir, disinfect ng balik ko. Yan po. Siyempre naman, okay. Now, tapos na tayo, no? How many rescue breaths per 2 minutes? 40. Very good. Now we are done, okay? Now we are done. Positive pulse, positive breathing. Okay, and you position the child and infant into recovery position. Recovery position na tayo. Kasi, tantahan sa kanila. Sa kanila. Sa child. Infant, ganito. Yan. Kuha. Yan. Tapos, secondary assessment na yan. Titignan na kung may mga bleeding, bruises, laceration, burns, gano'n. Okay? Then, yun na. Yun ang ating demonstration of our CPR. Now, when will you stop CPR? For example,